Well, here.
Really? Are you having a good dinner? You gotta look at the tray on this one. That's from spitting his food all over the place. Which is really, really fun. Oh, Jason, he's got the spoon in the jar.
Good boy. Good job.
We might actually get some dinner down tonight.
You ready? You gonna eat it? Big bite. No. No. Good job. Ah. Here, another bite. I can't squid. He just works so cute doing it. Camera.
Say bye. Oh yes, the camera. No. Let go. Let go. Thank you. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. That's pretty. Oh boy.
Got that tongue in reverse.